Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Let me ask you one question. Why are you here? If I can guess, most probably you are here because you want to earn money online. If that is yes, then you are at the right place at the right time. I'm Ranjan and I'm ready to coach you how to earn money online, and I will help you realize your digital lifestyle dream come true. And if this is not the reason why you are here, well, you can close this video and, okay, do whatever you want. Okay, I have been in this online marketing business now for the last 5, 6 years, and I have done reasonably well. I do it full time now. Now, let me start with who do this courses for? Well, obviously, if you are a newbie and you are trying your hands in internet marketing, definitely it will help you out. Number two, if you have some experience, but as far as the money is concerned, you have very limited or no outcome, then also you are at the right place. Uh, First, let me explain to you why one needs a mentor or a coach. Reason is very simple. We are not expert in all walks of internet marketing. See, for example, let me take my case first. You'll understand that better if I explain to you about me. I'm a software developer and I have been in R&D kind of an environment in the last 30 years. Now, when I met my mentor, his name is John Michael, and he must be some 15, 20 years younger to me, I believe. I learned a lot. See, I was not a newbie. I had experience. I knew the nitty-gritties of internet marketing. I knew about tools. Being in the software business, I was well aware about various tools available, how the whole thing works. But still, the whole thing was not working for me. I came to know about so many things, like the people who come from R&D background, their approach towards life is so different. Uh, they like to live with secrecy. Oh, this is a product. Let us not talk about this product to anybody because somebody might steal the idea. Or this is your strategy for marketing this product. Let us keep it to ourselves. Otherwise, somebody will steal the strategy idea and do better than us. See, this was my approach. Now, I know I have learned so many new things that was a very, very wrong approach. You have to be open. Let you help people and let others help you and create that win-win situation. That is the first principle of internet marketing, or in that case, any marketing. If you are ready to help people, people will help you in whatever capacity they want to help you. Second thing was brand building. I was a big zero about. I never gave any importance to brand building. You know, those typical R&D type people who are so egoist, they don't value brand building. And that was the case with me, which I have changed. And finally, the last thing that I have learned is, if you are doing something, enjoy the process of doing it. Don't always wait for the outcome. Oh, tomorrow if I earn $500,000, that will be the end of all my uh, problems, worries, etc. I'm telling you, if that is the target, that kind of a target, if you keep, You'll not be happy. Maybe, maximum, you'll be just relieved. Oh, this problem has gone. What you have to start enjoying is the process of doing something. Earlier, I used to be so tense in front of the camera. Oh, somehow speak something, write your link in the description of the video, and that was the end of it. Neither I got any clicks nor I made any sales. So I think you understand where I am coming from. See, that was my problem because of my background. That's where I needed a mentor, and I got one. Your problems may be different. You might be having your weak points, you might be having your strong points, but you're not aware of neither your weak points nor your strong points. That is where mentor comes into picture. Anyway, I'll cut this lecture a bit short and come to the point. By the way, let me tell you one thing. What I learned. See, the way I spoke that, okay, John Michael was my mentor, is my mentor. Earlier, Ranjan would have never spoken that. He would have that fear that, okay, if I take John Michael's name, why should people come to me? They will directly go to him. But today, that fear is not there. I know. Opening up in the world is the best way that you can do your marketing. There is no other way. Anyway, coming back to online business. See, it is too simple, which has been made too complicated. In any online business, what you need something to sell. You need to know the process of whatever you do to sell that product. And finally, you pick up your commission. Now, as far as the product is concerned, if you have got your own product, well and good. If you don't have your own product, well, we will take the affiliate marketing approach where you sell somebody else's product, and because you have sold that product, you'll get your commission. Now, this process, we will break into so many steps, and I literally guide you on each step. To start today, click on the description of this video, and once you click there, you'll be okay. First, what I'll do is okay, there is a technical glitch. Okay, you'll be taken to my website. There, I have given recommendation about 2 such systems where you have the product. Only thing you need to do is sell that. How to sell that I'll be telling you. Once you click on those 2 links that has been provided on the page that will open up after you click the link in the description of this video, you email me and that, okay, you saw this video and you want to know what should be your next step. I'll personally email you the next step. By the way, initially I said that, okay, I'll give you all the training and it will all be free. But don't misunderstand me. My training will be free. But when I ask you to do something, there will be some resources required. Like for email marketing, you require a get response subscription. That will cost you some money. Some money means it is very small amount, $15 a month. Then you'll have to have your own web page, that is website. We will do all these things together. But when I say my training is free, my training is free. But the resources that will be required, you will have to pay for that. And before I end, let me tell you one thing. If you think that, okay, you can't afford it, better don't waste your time in internet marketing. Some resources are a must. for creating that sustainable online business. Better you do some more work in your day job, save some money, and once you are comfortable, come back. Otherwise, you'll be wasting your time. So, have a good day and subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming with many more good internet marketing tips based videos. And mm, if you have liked this video, don't forget to hit that like button. And bye for now.